Last month, I demoed a coding agent skill that migrates end-to-end Tableau workbooks and data sources to Sigma. Today, what I'd like to demo is the same type of skill, but for Power BI. So here, I've created a Power BI dashboard on top of my Snowflake warehouse from the live data, and I want to migrate that directly to Sigma. So I've created a skill that does this end-to-end. It works very similarly to the way my Tableau one does, except it downloads the PBIX files, reads those for the calculations, the DAX, and translates that to Sigma, builds a data model if needed, and then builds a workbook. So here you can see, migrate this Power BI dashboard to Sigma. It loads the skill, which goes through multiple phases, including at the end, it does a validation. It goes through and this is the employee dashboard report. Two things to note. The classic single file format isn't handled. It'll go through and confirm this is the employee dashboard. It can figure out it has a bar chart, text box, line chart, pie. It grabs the file, parses it, and then converts it to grab how it will do the calculations in Sigma directly. So it grabs the measures. It then creates a data model directly in Sigma, discovers the data in Sigma to match the connection into Snowflake. So here you can see it's building the data model with the JSON representation. And then we also have the JSON representation code rep of workbooks as well. So here is where it will build the workbook. And at the end, it goes through the validation and builds that full workbook. So at the end, what we have is a fully recreated Power BI dashboard in Sigma, end-to-end, completed within 5 minutes for this specific one. And the data is validated at the end of the process. Still doing testing on this skill, but hope to have it released on my GitHub repo within the next few weeks for use.